This video is sponsored by no one.
Daisy, you a fluffy genius.
Who sings in her sleep? She could be on TV. I mean, if she wasn't so bad at singing. Alright, I'm gonna go see what's going on next door. There's a bunny rabbit who thinks he's a superhero. Can you imagine?
Slumber party!
We can't!
We'll tell the war, we'll tell spooky stories.
What?
I'll go first. Mine's about a dog who was bitten by a squirrel, and he starts becoming a were-squirrel. Oh, it's so scary.
Duke, these puppies look super nice, don't get me wrong, but we can't possibly take in all of them.
Oh, you're right.
Good.
We'll just keep a few.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't you puppies go see Captain Snowball? He lives to help animals. Good guy. Crazy, but a good guy.
He's just down the hall that way.
By the way, it's your turn.
Okay. Whoa.
I'm gonna win.
Oh, this is too stressful. Can't we play biscuit checkers or tic-tac-toe? Oh, Max, look, more puppies are coming in.
Oh, wow, there's just so many of them.
Hey, little guys.
So you, how do I put this delicately, you're strays.
Wouldn't it be great if someone could just adopt all of them?
Sure.
What?
Why? Because none of the pets move
Welcome to the treat spot.
I get a treat.
No! Now it's time to discuss a very serious topic. Poop. about poop, especially at my age. Anyway, you want to keep doing your business in different parts of the house. In the closet, under the rug. Get creative with it. Because remember, owners love finding your poop. They collect it in little plastic bags. Who knows? They're nuts. Well, that's it. In our next video, we discuss begging for food from humans. Are a few table scraps worth your dignity? Spoiler alert, yes they are. Where's Pickles? What are you doing over there?
I'm pooping in a boot. Your owner will find it for weeks.
They grow up so fast. Class dismissed.
Alright, keep it down, no barking. Okay, no barking. Go ahead, y'all can let it out. Alright, stop now. Hey, you over there, why are you so nervous? You need to be walked. What? Welcome to the secret headquarters of Captain Store. Now I know it looks like a typical little kid's room, but that's just because it provides the perfect cover for my superhero activities. Also, it is a little kid's room. You know, I really hope you puppies are clean. I don't even want to tell you what happens if the secret lair gets dirty. I mean, I'll be fine, but Molly could get seriously grounded or lose cell phone privileges. I mean, come on, look at you. Now, you definitely got fleas, don't you? And that's cool, because I got them too. So you can tell me. Aha! Psych! I don't have fleas. That there was mind game. My superior bunny brain just tricked you. Okay, so, to find you a home, you're gonna need the greatest
Super cool high-tech drawer. You can do it, puppies. Don't be scared.
That's so exciting. We're about to die, everyone!
Come on. Go down this dark alley. Don't worry. If you're in danger, my buddy senses will warn us. Check out that bunny copter.
Yeah, a flying bunny. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. Follow me, guys. I never lose a single puppy. And I know it.
Look, Jones. It's some of us in boxes. Some of us in super cool high-tech drawer.
What are you filthy monsters?
Wait, I don't have time!
down.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be
Might be wide.
What do you say? You want to come home with us?
Yes!